Boy, it is a hot one outside. If you've been outside, you may have said, well, yeah, it is very, very hot out there, feeling even hotter. But the thing about it is the humidity isn't as high as it could be. We have this dry line moving through, kind of bringing our humidity levels down. I'll show you that in a second. But we're taking a live look outside, courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco. And you see outside plenty of blue sky to go around and lots of sunshine heating us up. We're at 94 degrees here in Weslaco with a north wind at 16 miles per hour. So yes, a north wind, but it's not bringing the cooler air by any means. Check this out. We're at 100 in McAllen, 99 in Edinburg, 95 in Rio Grande City, 93 from Raymondville all the way down into Brownsville and over into Port Isabel. So yes, it is very hot. It's only going to get hotter. Now that dry line, as it makes its way east, will continue to pull the wind out of the north and northwest, and the winds are going to remain quite gusty like what you're seeing across the RGV this afternoon. The only place still not really dealing with that north wind just yet is Brownsville with its southerly wind and also the island. But think about it, this dry line I don't think is going to impact the island. That's the only spot that is expected to stay under the 100-degree mark today. The rest of the RGV is warming up to about 100 and up to 105. So we say, hey, here in the middle, we're going to be right around 101. So regardless of where you go today, if you have to be outdoors for an extended period of time, remember to drink lots of water so you stay hydrated. Although it's not too humid out there, it's still very hot and breezy, and heat-related illnesses can creep up on you before you know it. Here's the front. This cold front is going to bring us a little bit of relief later on tonight. It'll bring temperatures out of the triple digits, which will be a nice little change of pace after the scorching afternoon. But looking to the north and east, that's where a lot of the severe weather is today, and that's mainly over northern Louisiana going into Arkansas. You see the severe thunderstorm warning as well as the tornado watches in place right now. So a lot of energy staying well to the north. This front is not even going to bring us any rain later on tonight. Zooming out, and you see that the stormy weather continues all the way up into the upper Midwest and going over the Great Lakes. See a lot of pink indicating that ice, and then ahead of that is definitely a lot of rain. But the reason why these storms get fueled is because we have all of that Gulf moisture, and it interacts with that change in that air mass. We're talking about the cool, dry air versus that warm, humid air, and then you get the clash of the two, and that's where a lot of the severe weather potential is today. Is mainly over the Arklatex region, but it stays mainly out of Texas today and kind of over the Gulf Coast states and in Arkansas. But again, and we're not expecting anything severe back home in the valley. You notice we're kind of clear of all that, but we are going to see a slight cool down. It's not a lot, and I know that you're saying 94, really? That's not a cold front. It is a cold front. The thing about it is it'll bring us out of the triple digits at least for tomorrow before the triple digit heat returns. So enjoy that nice little change of pace. Now the 7th annual night out is tomorrow night in McAllen, and it looks like at 5 it'll still be in the low 90s to kick off the event. By the time it's all said and done at 8, we'll be near 84 degrees. So then we do have the hot weather and then another cold front. So we do have that to look forward to, okay? We'll be at 101 today, 94 tomorrow, 100 breezy, gusty, humid Friday and Saturday, feeling like 103 to 107. Yeah, very, very hot setup as we head into the weekend. But then another cold front rolls through early Sunday, bringing us down to more average-like heat for this time of year. It's going to feel like spring Sunday and Monday. We're back to 90 by Tuesday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.